Hey, thanks for watching this video, because if you've gotten to this point, you've probably done some checking online into who we are and what we are about. If you haven't, and this is your first thing you're coming to, great, because this will tell you a little bit more about us. So, we are Scott Anderson Design, and I say we because this isn't just me, this is a company of a bunch of hardworking individuals from our staff, our office, our design team, to the guys out in the field doing the construction. Even the guys who are working behind the scenes on our website, our YouTube channel, and our social media work. Scott Anderson Design was started by me many years ago. Though it was probably started by me when I was a kid, with the first lawn that I went out and cut on my own, which happened to be my next door neighbors, which eventually became me cutting my high school lawn that I'd go to school at. I eventually went to work for them, and also worked for my youth council cleaning up yards for people. All of those had me working outside, working with my hands, and working on coming up with a good work ethic. The problem is, I didn't know I was developing a good work ethic. It just happened. So it's kind of funny. Being a young teen, working, doing landscaping, cutting the grass, and eventually realizing there was so much more out there for me. So if someone asked me, what are we known for? It's a great question to ask. We are a landscape design company. Now that has morphed into a company that designs and builds amazing outdoor spaces. Probably one of our biggest focuses these days is in the pond and waterfall end of things. That's because I truly love working with my hands and creating amazing spaces for our clients to hang out in. But if you're looking to do a project in your backyard, we would be the ones to help you figure out how to make the space work. How do we make sure it's working efficiently? What would you like to do in your yard? Do you want to sit in a relaxing area? Do you want to create an outdoor sitting area for barbecuing? Do you just want to create an area that's pretty with lots of flowers, somewhere that you can sit and have a cup of coffee? So how do I come up with it? Great question. It all starts with me and my design team. So, a little bit about us. I and my team both went to New York Institute of Technology. So my background started with me going to school and getting a degree in architecture with a minor in landscape architecture. That's helpful for knowing, because if we look at your backyard and we look at your space, we're not just looking at the yard. We're looking at the house. We're looking at how the two of them will tie together. Ultimately, we're looking to figure out how do we create a great space, utilize your yard, whether it's a small one or a large one, and create something that is usable and has everything that you want in it. We look at helping with all parts of your outdoor space, from the patio to the cooking area to the dining as well as the landscaping. We look for color and interest for the plants, privacy for giving you separation from your neighbors, and how we can add some kind of water feature to create that relaxing and tranquil feel. We also look at lighting and how to create some kind of outdoor lighting to add to the property. We will help you design the perfect space, but also complete the project or oversee it for you on your behalf. We can help with all the construction processes that are involved in a small to a large project, but we will always pay attention to the smallest detail, like what flowers work well, like how do we integrate landscape lighting to create the perfect ambiance. Be sure to also check us out and check all of our videos out of our award-winning ponds and water features. We are happy to meet with you, see how we can help you out, and see what we can come up with. Our team has been working together and refining our skills in all forms of construction. We love working together, as well as having fun and hanging out together. Building a team is one thing, but building a team that is a family is what we are. We know we can not only meet your expectations, but we will also exceed your expectations for what you're looking for. So why not call us? Why not pick up the phone? Why not reach out to Donna, or send an email to me or Eric or one of our staff and let us know how we can help you. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.